Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to study the topic 6.5 structure of a flame, and now here it is activity given 6.6. So let's start it. Light a candle. Caution, be careful. Hold a glass tube with a pair of tongues and introduce its one end in the dark zone of a non-flickering candle flame that is shown in figure 6.10 a. Then bring a lighted matchstick near the other end of the glass tube. Do you see a flame? If so, what is that produces a flame? Notice that the wax near the heated wick melts quickly. So what we're gonna do is we have to light a candle, and we have to hold a glass tube with a pair of tongues and then introduce its one end in the dark zone of a non-flickering candle flame. So we have to see the figure 6.10a. Here it is, candle is burned and then matchstick is near to the mouth of the candle flame. Now we have to light a matchstick near the other end of the glass tube. Now do you see a flame? Then what does it produce? Notice that the wax near the heated wick melts quickly. So, the substances which vaporize during burning give flames. For example, kerosene oil and molten wax rise through the wick and are vaporized during burning and form flames. Charcoal, on the other hand, does not vaporize and does not produce a flame. So, here are the points we should keep in mind. So, underline these, that kerosene oil and molten wax rise through the wick and are vaporized during burning and form flames, but charcoal, on the other hand, does not vaporize and does not produce a flame. And in activity 6.6, could the vapors of wax coming out of the glass tube be the cause of the flame produced? Then, when the candle flame is steady, introduce a clean glass plate slide into the luminous zone of the flame that is shown in figure 6.10b. Now, hold it there with a pair of tongues for about 10 seconds. Then remove it. What do you observe? A circular blackish ring is formed on the glass plate slide you can see in the figure 6.10b. It indicates the deposition of unburned carbon particles present in the luminous zone of the flame. Then hold a thin long copper wire just inside the flame for about 30 seconds, that is shown in figure 6.10c. Notice that the portion of the copper wire just outside the flame gets red hot. Now, does it indicate that the non-luminous zone of the flame has a high temperature? In fact, this part of the flame is the hottest part, that is figure 6.10. The goldsmith blow the outermost zone of a flame with a metallic blowpipe for melting gold and silver, that is shown in figure 6.11. Why do they use the outermost zone of the flame? So you can see this figure 6.10d, and there are the different zones of candle flame given. First one, that is the red part, that is the hottest part. Now the left one, which is mentioned outer zone of complete combustion, blue. Then moderately hot near the hottest part, and then in the middle zone of the partial combustion, that is it is yellow, and then the least hot, that is in the middle, uh, below the middle. Now we have the wax candle, and we have the innermost zone of unburnt wax vapors, that is black. So here are the different zones of a candle flame. So we will learn this full topic in the next video.